Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Robin from DxO, and in this video we explore the quick processes you can use in PureRAW 4. I'm using a Mac computer for this demonstration, but the process is the same on a Windows PC. When you installed PureRAW, you also installed an extension to the Mac Finder or Windows Explorer applications. This allows you to quickly process RAW files from a folder on your computer. Just select the file or files and then right-click on one of them. This displays a pop-up menu where you can see the different processing methods. There's also an option to process the files using the last standalone PureRAW settings. Move your mouse pointer over the method that you want to use and then select the file output. If you're using a Mac computer, you may not see PureRAW in your Finder menu immediately because of your security settings. To change these settings, go to your System Settings. Then, in the Privacy and Security section, select Extensions. This is where you'll see the Finder extensions. Open these and select the PureRAW extension to give it permissions to run. You may also need to enter your Mac's password to make the change. After that, you should be able to see the PureRAW options in your Finder menu. Another way to quickly process image files is to drag and drop them onto your standalone application. The images are then loaded and added to the PureRAW lightbox of thumbnails. We can then use the Process with Preview option to check the effects of the settings and make any changes. Now click the button to process the files, and when it completes, we can view the results. Now you're ready to process your RAW files and discover the batch processing features in PureRAW 4. If you have any questions, please visit our website dxo.com.